Okay, so tuzakuzakira tezi.
My name is Freddy Kabaguma. I'm the Executive Director of Rural Health Promotion and Poverty Alleviation Initiative. This is an organization, an NGO, that is working with rural communities, targeting women and young girls, including adolescents, to address conditions and situations of health, of environment, of poverty, of gender, and also of hygiene and sanitation. We started in 2004, and now we are boasting of 18 years. And since then, we have reached in different communities of Isingiro district, and mainly in Kaberebere Town Council, in Birere Sub-County, Nyamuyanja Sub-County, and Masha Sub-County. We also have reached Wakiso in the parishes of Undeje, which is in Sabagabo, Makindi Sabagabo in Wakiso district. Mainly we work with rural farmers, and we also active rural farmers to promote agriculture, to promote income at the households, and also to really see that health is addressed and is accessed, and medical care and medical services are utilized the way they are supposed to be utilized. For this project that we are here, it is Teens Guide project, and we started in 2022 addressing the young adolescents that have been affected by COVID pandemic. These are girls that dropped out of school because of the condition of COVID-19. And most of them were sexually abused, they dropped out because they became pregnant, and even some of them got married but under conditions that they didn't want. So we have started this project, and in the process we have integrated in skills development, but mainly the project is focusing on HIV disease prevention and teenage pregnancy prevention. Then we integrated skills development, hairdressing, and sweater knitting. Today we are celebrating and awarding certificates to 103 girls that completed, but we enrolled 150 girls, and some of them actually have dropped out. So dropping out is not only in formal schools, but even in vocational and in this skills development, still they drop out. We are happy that 103 girls have come out and completed, with 29 girls for sweater knitting and 73 girls for hairdressing. We thank so much the town council for their support, and even the parents for their support. And I thank the staff of Ruhepai for their commitment in implementing this Teens Guide project. And also our supporters, donors, who are the PEPFAR, or Presidential Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, and American Embassy Uganda. What I appeal to our girls that have completed today, have been awarded certificates today, we appeal to them that whatever they have acquired, the little skill that they have acquired, they should put it into practice, so that it is valuable to them, and it can be of importance in their future. Something that I didn't mention, the training, skills training, has been for 3 months, and we started in July, and we have completed in October. We are mandated to operate nationally. We have a national status in terms of operation and registration, but we depend on resource mobilization. So the resources that we have so far, we are in Isingiro and we are in Wakiso, but for other districts, if we get the resources, we would reach entire Uganda, and mainly our target and focus is on girls and women, such that they can be uplifted, they can be empowered, they can be nurtured, they can be trained to be self-sustaining and also be self-reliant through their own participation. Amazina ndi Fredi Kabaguma ninyankuru ekitongore ekya Ruhepai omu ekituru kugamba mburingwa ni Rural Health Promotion and Poverty Alleviation Initiative. Ekitwireho nikikora muri Isingiro district konka twine office omuri Kaberebere tugaruka tukora no mu surrounding areas omuri Birere, Nyamuyanja na Masha tugaruka tukora no muri Wakiso district. Twine project yitwatandikira omwaka ogu eya Teens Guide project erukwegesa abana ababishiki abato ab'emyaka 11 kusyari 28 abatungire okukwatisibwa ahabwa endware ya COVID-19. Abamwe bakarwa mu ishomero, abamwe batwara, abamwe bazara, abamwe nangu bahura bayehwaho konka tubakwatanise n'abazire na leaders muri Kaberebere town council kuranga twabarundana twabashomesa twabegesa omukwatiri no kubakubasa kwerinda endwara no kubakubasa kwerinda okutwara ezindwenda ezibatetekateke. Omuri ekyo tukatamu no kwegesa eky'emikono twayegesa okwega ebyamashoke hamwe no kwega amashweta. Mwene rizo batwaha certificates abana 13 baryaba abamashweta kandi nshanju na bashatu baryaba ababishoke. Nko kutwabahereza tukabegesa emyezi 3 kurwo kwa mushanju kusya hato ku 10 kandi turiyo tutero muranga ngo bibashomere babito mu nkora okureba ngu ebiro byo misho byayo byo mugasho. Nisima mnonga Kaberebere town council obuyambi bwona support yone yibatwire tugaruka tusima n'abatwire financial support aba PEPFAR or Presidential Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief and American Embassy Uganda kureba ngu ecyashikiririzo cyetengo kitu no kangu twakikabura hamwe twakiko mwana ogo yeshobire twakiko mwana ogwe ati origiro mu ishomero konka kandi arukwenda ngu agire biro birungi byo misho tukabento nangu tukikabura hamwe konka ntoremesebwa ebi entasia turemesebwa support of financial support na resources konka abakuba baturikize bona tukiriyo tureba tukakiko muri hona tuta ekikuno kwangu twabona okutwakikayo na support especially financial support konka at the moment turiyo muri Kaberebere town council Isingiro district.
Twinomucha Samuel town clerk Kaberebere town council. Today I'm very pleased to be here to witness the graduation ceremony of these young girls who have been undergoing training in making sweaters, hairdressing, and tailoring. I still remember when this program was starting, the Ruhepai staff came and consulted me, but I was not really sure that such a kind of arrangement would be carried out. Yes, I gave them a blessing, I wished them well, and actually I even proposed that we should go an extra mile and make sure we liaise with parents, because now this was like a kind of school arrangement. You know, there are always absenteeism in school. So I said, now that these young girls are starting, and you know, girls, you know, with domestic course, I proposed that possibly we talk to their parents so that they can reduce absenteeism. Well, I'm made to understand that the number which started is not the number that has graduated, but at least more than 80% has done it. My request the graduates is that they should utilize the skills. You know, as I've said, that Isingiro district has a vision. And the vision of Isingiro district is that we must have a peaceful district, prosperous people, and pleasant natural environment. So how do we get pleasant, prosperous people? Is after acquiring skills, that they can use these skills to earn, to get money. You know, that's the way they are going to be prosperous. So my humble request to them is, one, that they should utilize the skills they have acquired. Two, is that now some of them are young girls. They should not start going around. You know, kabere is not easy. And, you know, with girls, their whole life is very tricky. So I emphasize that they should not immediately opt for going out with these boys in the Kabere Town Council. They should, you know, protect themselves. Otherwise, it may not be good, because actually we know there are diseases around. AIDS is there, is a killer disease. So I really emphasize them not to start misbehaving, going out with those boys. Let them go home. They can form groups of 3. They can, like those making sweaters, they can decide to form a group of 3, go get a loom, start their business. The same as those who have learned how to, you know, the tailoring group. They can, some of them request from their fathers, they buy them machines, they start making, doing business. And I request again that those who have their fathers who can afford, let them go and add on the skills, like those who have learned how to hairdress. They can go for more trainings. Those like the tailoring group, they can go and now get more training in more fashions and improve on their skills.
Mazina ganje nyete wadija Nansikombi tukafuna omugisha ba Ruhepai batuyamba tukaturiyo mukata kushoma batera amasumu batusaba tuze tushome twashoma nyowe mbe nishome sweta ngikwasire nimbebaza munonga kandi tindazo mukakusitama tukundamara nyenda kugenda nodemire nkore kandi nyebaza Madam Fredika baguma munonga iyo bari kutuyamba tukaturiyo mukatwine cyona kitukora turiyo mukatushitami konka yatwata aho twashoma twayega nimwebaza munonga mukama muhomugisha kandi amukwatire byona byakora nitwe twaza kushoma turamushwaze nitukora byona bitwegire mukama tukurembere byona bitukora. Amina.
Anshonga ya kapito nyote nyine kwerarishira kona ahabwo kuba tufunira abanyamugisha batwegisa kandi twabeta kubasa hati nimba nyine gambiro muzire tutungira omugisha twayega mbwenu batongera yo nitwe batwatera mukono tuze kufuna kapito tutandikiraho mbera ye kabere kuba munonga bwo kuba twatusitamira mu cyaro tutakubasa kwebasa kugira ngo tushome twafuna abanyamugisha biza batuyamba kitongore cya Ruhepai twiza twayega mbwenu tuhereze hati tuza kutandika tuze gukora ohereze muri ki umukushoma saruni byona tubikwasire ekikuru no kwe mbwenu tuyino mugisha muhango kurenga tufunira bizere bakatwegisa kandi tukabikwata mbwenu nitwe tuba tuyine amani bwo kugira ngo nitwe tuyine kitwegere kandi ntukikorera abandi.
Amazina banyita Asimere Anta mbire ndiyo mweji wesweta kandi takizera hakushoma tukaba turiyo ko mucyaro ben turiyo mberambi tutakusoma tukusiba haka tukuhinga tukora mwenke mirimo ya haka yankaburijo twabe turyaho twafuna omugisha aha Ruhepai bakwenda abishiki twiza twehandikisa twatandika kwega twayega hatiya aho twegere nayo tukomere ntore ntubasa kwegesa abandi kandi nitwe tukakora amasweta tukaguza tukafuna ikintu twakubasa kuba nitweyamba.
Mazina ganje natwa Serena. Ka turiyo mu cyaro takafunira mu turiyokwe turiyo mu kwinga turiyo mu mirimo yaka kare mu tine kitukore cyakubasa kwa tuyamba nyincha kare gitu minu kare tine kitukubasa kugira ngo tukoromuka abantu tatungo mu cyaba Ruhepai ibija babani beta babambete minyeto kwega saluni nebaharani mwe natungo mu cyago kugira ngo nze nyege saluni kugira ngo nanye nyincha kare mfune kinayamba batayi banje n'abazire banje.